Google and Salesforce team up in the cloud.
Salesforce issues a bold revenue projection.
Oracle pushes deeper into the APAC Cloud Region.
Microsoft's Azure cloud goes greener.
AWS rolls out S3 updates.
And IBM nixes its Bluemix cloud branding. And this is your Liftr Roundup on Thursday, November 9th.
Hi everyone, this is your Cloud News Roundup on LiftrNews.com. I'm Shaylee Webb.
And I'm Corey Bowling.
And this is a look at this week's top stories. Salesforce kicked off its annual Dreamforce conference in San Francisco this week with a big splash. The company announced it is teaming up with Google to form one of the highest profile cloud computing alliances of the year. The partnership allows for easier integration between Salesforce tools and Google's G Suite cloud platform and Google Analytics. As part of the deal, Salesforce also named Google a preferred cloud provider. Salesforce says it plans to use Google's cloud infrastructure for expansion of its core services.
Speaking of Salesforce, the cloud-based software maker told analysts and investors this week that it expects to become a $20 billion company by the 2022 fiscal year. CEO Mark Benioff has been promising for some time that Salesforce will become a $20 billion company faster than any other enterprise software firm in history. Salesforce is projected to generate more than $10 billion in revenue for the first time this year. Earlier this week, the company also issued revenue guidance for the next fiscal year of up to $12.5 billion, an anticipated 20% year-over-year growth.
Salesforce also used its annual Megatech conference to announce it is deepening an already existing partnership with Facebook. And the company's outspoken CEO made headlines when he slammed Microsoft during an interview at the conference's Investor Day meeting. Benioff essentially dismissed Microsoft as a competitor, jabbing at the company's lagging Surface laptop sales and saying that he's continually, quote, blown away by executive turnover at the company.
Oracle is ramping up its efforts to penetrate the Australian cloud market. The company says it is opening a digital hub in Sydney to target small and medium-sized enterprise cloud customers. It is part of the software giant's broader expansion into the Asia-Pacific cloud region, where Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Alibaba already have strong footholds. Oracle's Australian hub will be geared toward helping SMBs transition to the cloud and will showcase the company's complete suite of cloud offerings. It is one of 5 digital hubs Oracle is planning for the APAC region.
Microsoft's data center portfolio is steadily going green. The tech giant this week announced it is buying all the power generated from a 180-megawatt wind farm near Amsterdam. It marks the second European wind farm agreement Microsoft has announced in the last month. In October, Microsoft locked down a 15-year deal to purchase all the output from a 37-megawatt wind farm being built by General Electric in the southwestern corner of Ireland. The Dutch wind farm, which Microsoft says will be one of the largest in the Netherlands once completed, is expected to start producing power in 2019.
Amazon Web Services has introduced a series of new security and encryption features to its S3 cloud storage service. AWS S3 leaks have appeared in headlines time and time again this year. Notably, Verizon and Dow Jones had company and personal data of millions of customers exposed to the public because of unprotected S3 storage buckets. In most cases, the companies, through their staff, left Amazon S3 buckets configured to allow public access. Among the new security features for the cloud service, one specifically addresses the open S3 bucket issue with a dashboard warning light. The updates are available now for no additional charge.
IBM has decided to do away with the Bluemix brand for its platform-as-a-service cloud offering. Big Blue says it is now branding all of its cloud computing products under the, quote, IBM Cloud moniker. The move allows IBM's decision last year to dump its old SoftLayer brand name, which was previously used to identify its infrastructure-as-a-service cloud products. IBM explained the most recent change by saying that it is merging the Bluemix brand with IBM Cloud brands since they've grown to be synonymous. The company has also created a new logo for its cloud tools to mark the branding change. That's all for us today. Have any thoughts to share with us about Salesforce, Google, or Microsoft? Email us at ideas@liftrnews.com.
See you next week.